so you will see different surroundings, and we're not keeping the kitchen extremely neat. But today I wanted to show you how we are making vegan French toast. So before I came, I made a little packet and I converted the hot for food recipe so that this could be all dry. And then I'm just going to be adding some plant-based milk to it. Okay, this is chickpea flour and a couple other ingredients. I had powdered vanilla. Instead of maple syrup, I used brown sugar because I didn't want to bring all of those ingredients with me. And then I'm just adding a cup of, this happens to be coconut milk. I'm going to stir it up and make a batter for the bread. While I'm stirring it, you'll notice my bread is a sturdier bread and I cut it a little bit thicker. And then I'm going to see you over by the stove and we will start cooking this French toast. Alright, the skillet is preheated. I'm going to spray it, and now you take your bread and dip it in the mixture. Take off the extra and just start putting it in your skillet. Take off the extra and put it in your skillet. And that's all that'll fit for right now. Let that cook for at least a minute or so and then flip it. Okay, I can see that the edges are starting to brown. So I'm just going to flip it. And when these are done, then we will just repeat the process until we are finished making all of the French toast. Okay, let's try it.
This is one of my favorite French toast recipes, vegan or not, I think. I love the flavor and I like the thick bread.
Oh, I do too. And you know, Emily, I have never made this up as a mix. I did that for ease on vacation, but I love it. Sometimes I just want to make it and don't want to gather all the ingredients. So I'm going to keep doing this. I won't use plastic bags because I prefer using something reusable. So I'll be putting it in some little canning jars.
Cool. Thanks for stopping by and checking in on our vacation breakfast. We'll see you next week.